Every day on a vessel, we rely on our machinery to perform flawlessly. That's why conducting essential oil and fuel checks is not just a routine task. It's a critical part of ensuring the safety and efficiency of our operations. Let's dive into the step-by-step routine for these checks. First, let's talk about oil checks. Start by locating the dipstick for the engine oil. Pull it out, wipe it clean, and reinsert it to get an accurate reading. You want to ensure that the oil level is within the recommended range. Low oil levels can lead to increased friction and overheating, which can cause catastrophic failures. If the oil is dark and gritty, it's time for a change. Remember, clean oil is your engine's best friend. Next, we move on to the lubricating oil. This is vital for reducing wear and tear on moving parts. Check the oil filter for any signs of leaks or blockages. A clogged filter can restrict oil flow, leading to engine damage. Always keep an eye on the oil pressure gauge. If it drops unexpectedly, it could indicate a serious issue that needs immediate attention. Now, let's shift gears to fuel monitoring. Start by checking the fuel levels in your tanks. Use a dipstick or a fuel gauge to ensure you have enough fuel for your journey. Keep an eye out for any water or sediment at the bottom of the tank. Water can cause fuel contamination, leading to engine performance issues. If you find any, it's crucial to remove it before it causes problems. When it comes to fuel quality, always conduct a visual inspection. Look for any discoloration or unusual odors. If something seems off, it's worth testing the fuel for contaminants. Remember, quality fuel means a reliable engine. Now, let's talk tools. A good set of wrenches, a dipstick, and a fuel sample jar are essential. Ergonomic tools can make these checks easier and safer. For example, using a long-reach dipstick can help you avoid awkward positions and reduce strain on your back. Pro tips from seasoned marine engineers: always wear gloves when handling oil and fuel. Not only does it protect your skin, but it also prevents contamination. And don't forget to document everything in your logbook. Recording your checks helps maintain a clear history of your machinery's condition and can be invaluable during inspections or audits. Logbook entries should include the date, time, oil levels, fuel quality, and any observations. This practice not only keeps you accountable, but also provides a reference for future maintenance. In summary, regular oil and fuel checks are essential for the longevity and safety of marine machinery. By following these steps, using the right tools, and keeping detailed records, we can ensure our vessels operate smoothly and safely. Remember, a well-maintained ship is a safe ship.